Good morning. It's October 24th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. Pfizer Incorporated has secured FDA approval for fda-approves-first-rsv, a bivalent RSV vaccine targeting adults age 75 and older, as well as those aged 60 to 74 who are at increased risk for severe disease. This approval marks a significant step in combating respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, which is responsible for serious health complications in vulnerable populations. In Singapore, the vaccine will also be available for individuals aged 60 and older, with GSK's Arexvy being the first RSV vaccine approved for this demographic. Starting November 1st, pregnant women in Singapore can receive the fda-approves-first-rsv vaccine, offering protection for their infants against RSV. Clinical trials have demonstrated that the fda-approves-first-rsv vaccine is 91.1% effective in preventing severe RSV disease in infants during the first 90 days after birth. Furthermore, a recent study found that the vaccine is 80% effective in preventing hospitalizations among individuals aged 60 and older. RSV typically causes mild, cold-like symptoms, but can lead to significant health issues, including pneumonia, particularly in toddlers and older adults. In the United States alone, RSV results in approximately 177,000 hospitalizations and 14,000 deaths annually. CDC Director Dr. Mandy Cohen has underscored the importance of vaccination as the winter respiratory season approaches. Concerns remain regarding the potential necessity for booster shots in the future and how new vaccines might affect current recommendations. Corrine Jones, a pneumonia survivor, emphasizes the serious implications of respiratory illnesses. The Health Ministry of Singapore plans to monitor the vaccine's effectiveness and any serious adverse events over time. Pregnant women with a history of complications such as preterm deliveries or preeclampsia are advised to consult their doctors before receiving the vaccine. The fda-approves-first-rsv vaccine will be available at private clinics and hospitals, including KK Women's and Children's Hospital, although the exact cost is yet to be disclosed. A groundbreaking artificial intelligence tool for lung cancer detection is set to transform patient care across NHS hospitals in the Northeast and North Cumbria. This initiative follows successful national funding aimed at enhancing diagnostic capabilities in the region. Ken Bremner, MBE, chair of the Northeast and North Cumbria Provider Collaborative, highlighted the tool's potential to expedite lung cancer treatment, addressing a critical need in early detection and intervention. The AI technology is projected to improve diagnostic accuracy by 45% and efficiency by 12%, acting as a valuable second opinion for clinicians in their assessments. The development of this tool involved a novel algorithm that integrates two deep neural networks, specifically designed to enhance early detection of lung cancer. Research indicates that this advanced tumor tracking method significantly boosts accuracy and robustness across various clinical scenarios, potentially saving lives through improved medical imaging analysis. The study utilized sophisticated data augmentation techniques with lung 4D-CT images, which strengthened the model's robustness. Key components include a hybrid deformable model for data augmentation and a convolutional neural network regression for 3D tumor position estimation. Real-time tumor tracking provides a non-invasive alternative, improving patient comfort and treatment safety compared to traditional methods. The AI tool will be implemented across multiple NHS trusts, including North Cumbria Integrated Care and Gateshead Health Foundation trusts. Research published in the Lancet Digital Health Journal supports the AI's effectiveness, showing it accurately predicts a patient's 10-year death risk in 78% of cases. Dr. Arunashis Sao emphasized that while ECGs are common and affordable, the AI's role is crucial in identifying individuals at higher risk for more detailed testing. The UK is poised to make strides in public health with the launch of its first Phase 3 trial for an investigational mRNA vaccine targeting norovirus. This initiative aims to alleviate the strain on the National Health Service during the challenging winter months. The trial will involve approximately 25,000 adults, primarily those aged 60 and over, across more than 6 countries over the next 2 years. Conducted in collaboration with the UK government, the National Institute for Health Research, and Moderna, The trial will be held at 27 NHS hospitals and centres in England, Scotland, and Wales. Participants will be randomly assigned to receive either the vaccine or a placebo, with their health closely monitored over a 25-month period. Experts are optimistic that a successful vaccine could lead to significant improvements in care homes and provide essential protection for vulnerable populations against severe illness. Norovirus is responsible for around 4 million infections annually in the UK, resulting in approximately 12,000 hospital admissions and 80 deaths. This highlights the urgent need for a vaccine, especially since there are currently no approved options available, and treatment for severe cases typically involves intravenous fluids. Dr. Melanie Everson, Moderna's Chief Development Officer, expressed enthusiasm about the trial's potential to advance mRNA technology in preventing norovirus infections. Health and Social Care Secretary Wes Streeting described the trial as a significant boost for the UK's life sciences sector and a step towards a preventative healthcare system. This trial is part of a broader 10-year partnership between Moderna and the UK government, which includes plans for a new mRNA manufacturing facility. If the vaccine demonstrates at least 65% effectiveness, there may be opportunities for further trials to extend its use to children, although this could take several years. Streeting noted that a successful vaccine could significantly reduce the annual cost of norovirus outbreaks to the NHS, which currently exceeds £100 million. Science Corporation has unveiled promising preliminary results from its late-stage clinical trial of the Prima-retina implant, aimed at restoring vision for patients suffering from geographic atrophy, a condition linked to age-related macular degeneration. AMD affects approximately 20 million people in the U.S., often leading to severe vision loss in individuals over 50 years old. Prior to the Prima implant, patients with geographic atrophy had no effective treatment options available. The Primavera clinical trial included 38 legally blind participants, focusing on the safety and efficacy of the retinal system, with an eye on potential approval in the European market. Participants reported significant improvements, enabling them to read text and recognize objects, such as playing cards, despite their central visual field impairments. On average, trial participants improved their visual acuity by nearly 5 lines on the eye chart, translating to a vision enhancement from 20/320 to 20/200. Max Hodak, CEO of Science Corporation, noted that this trial marks the first confirmed instance of restoring fluent reading ability in blind patients, highlighting a major advancement in vision restoration technology. The Prima implant allows patients to perform high-acuity tasks, like reading and recognizing faces, after losing their central visual field. The retinal implant system consists of a subretinal implant, a camera mounted on glasses, and a pocket computer, which work together to stimulate the retina with electrical impulses. Science Corporation plans to release a detailed analysis of the trial data by the end of the year and is actively seeking regulatory approval in Europe. The research is spearheaded by Daniel Palenker from Stanford University, a pioneer in optical technology, who is developing the next generation of the retinal implant. The European Space Agency's Euclid telescope, launched on July 1, 2023 from Cape Canaveral, Florida, is on a mission to create the largest and most accurate 3D map of the universe. This ambitious project aims to unravel the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, which together are believed to make up about 95% of the universe. Dark matter, comprising approximately 85% of the universe's total matter, and dark energy, linked to the universe's accelerating expansion, remain elusive due to their lack of interaction with light. Over its 6-year mission, Euclid is set to catalog an impressive 1.5 billion galaxies, providing essential data on their mass and star formation rates. Recently, the telescope released its initial mosaic, representing just 1% of the total survey, yet it includes around 100 million stars and galaxies. This first 208 gigapixel image was created from 260 observations taken over 2 weeks in March and April 2024, covering a 132 square degree area of the southern sky. The observations made by Euclid will allow scientists to study the evolution of the universe over the past 10 billion years, particularly how dark energy has affected the distribution of galaxies. Notably, Euclid can survey an area of the sky 100 times larger than that of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, capturing detailed images of celestial objects. The telescope's 3D mapping will yield precise estimates of galactic masses and cosmic expansion throughout the last 10 billion years. As of now, 12% of Euclid's mission has been completed, with more data releases scheduled for March 2025 and the first year of cosmology data expected in 2026. The Euclid Consortium, which consists of over 2,000 scientists from 300 institutions, is tasked with managing the mission's instruments and analyzing the data. The initial images highlight intricate features such as spiral galaxies and galactic cirrus clouds, contributing to a deeper understanding of our universe. This has been your Daily Brief in Science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.